Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I make easy, healthy, and delicious meals in no time at all. Before you go anywhere, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Cooking with Hug. Alright guys, today's going to be super delicious because it is a back to school edition. Now, I am a full-time teacher. I also go to the gym, I tutor, and I teach Zumba. So my schedules are insanely packed. If you are like me and have no time, plus add kids to the equation, which I don't have, thank God, you are going to be looking for quick and easy meals that you can meal prep, put in the fridge, and just reheat throughout the week. And this is one of them. This is actually one of my favorite lunch meals. It's a Asian chicken lettuce wrap. Super easy, super delicious, guys. Now, let's get ready to cook. I'm gonna add around 2 tablespoons of Trader Joe's sweet chili sauce right over it. And then you're just gonna mix it up and let it marinate for around 30 minutes. All right, just get it all juicy. All right, guys, so the celery and carrots, they've been working for a few minutes. And then you're just gonna dump your chicken right in the pot or pan. And then you're just gonna mix it up and get them all cooking nicely together. And this is gonna be the filling for your lettuce wraps, guys. It's super, super simple and probably one of my favorite back to work lunches. All right, guys, so I simply just laid a few of these iceberg lettuce on the bottom of my meal prep dishes. And then I'm going to add in around 3 ounces of the mixture in each, because I did start Weight Watchers, I know. Hi guys, and are you guys ready to try? Now, tomorrow I actually start school, so I'm not going to be as, creative with my videos sometimes, just because, this September is very difficult for us teachers because we're trying to get in the swing of things. Now, when I think back to school, I think meal prep. I'm a meal prep guru. I've been meal prepping for like 12 years. It's my favorite thing to do on Sunday. It's like regimented. You know what you're gonna eat for the rest of the week. You don't have to worry about it. Now, today I decided to make the easiest and most filling meal, and guess what? I'm on Weight Watchers now. I hate counting calories. Come here, little angel. Here we go. Hold on. Eat. That was very filling. It was very tasty. Like, it was like Asian. I think I put a lot of pepper, which I love pepper, so that didn't bother me. But if you don't like pepper, don't put a lot of pepper. The carrots and the celery and the scallions, it tasted like I was about to eat an Asian soup. Like, I don't know if that makes sense to you, but all around, it was delicious. It was yummy. Now, guys, I'm going to upload this video ASAP for you. And as always, thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you have not yet, please go subscribe to my channel. Now, are you guys ready for 4 hugs? 4 hugs? Yes, you are. 1, 2, 3. And that's 4. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.